Hello everyone. This will be our 19th video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for process and efficiency analysts to make their jobs easier.
Hello. Look, this is what really drives me crazy. The plan was well thought out, we launched it, everything was going well. But now I see that the results are starting to decline. And no one noticed until we'd already lost a week. It's not that it was a strategic error, but that no one was paying attention to the changes.
Normally, that's what happens when you don't have someone constantly monitoring and, above all, adjusting on the fly. That's why the multi-agent system has the dynamic adjuster, a subagent that corrects deviations without the need for manual intervention. It acts like a nervous system within the operation, always alert and ready to intervene.
And how do you know when to act?
It works in conjunction with the indicator monitor we saw in the previous video. This monitor collects and analyzes information from all key processes. If it detects something going awry, for example, a process is slowing down or errors are increasing, the adjuster assesses whether it's a one-time problem or if a structural correction is needed. It can even anticipate scenarios before they become crises, thanks to its predictive algorithms.
And what kind of adjustments can you make?
It depends on the type of plan and the scope of each action defined by the APV. Some examples might include reassigning tasks to other users or teams with greater availability, balancing the operational load, changing the execution order of certain activities to optimize resources or save time, automatically increasing or reducing deadlines if bottlenecks or oversizing are detected, activating alternative tasks if a critical phase is blocked for some internal or external reason, notifying specific managers and escalating incidents to key areas such as quality or planning. It can even activate preventive measures in other areas if it detects that an adjustment could have a knock-on effect.
And all this without me having to intervene?
That's right. The adjuster operates based on parameters predefined by the VPA and can make decisions within that framework without interrupting you. Only if it detects a critical or completely unforeseen scenario does it consult you before acting. The rest of the time, its purpose is to maintain system balance while you focus on higher-level decisions.
That gives me peace of mind. Because automating is one thing, and losing control is another.
And the system is designed to do just that. Automate without losing control. You're still the decision maker, but you don't have to micromanage. The adjuster is responsible for maintaining the course in real time, allowing your leadership to remain strategic.
And do you document what changes?
Yes, absolutely. Every adjustment is recorded in detail: date, reason, responsible party, expected result, and actual result. You can also access this information from a chronological log or directly from the plan dashboard with simple visualizations and filters by adjustment type. You can even receive a daily or weekly summary if you prefer, with the most relevant changes.
What if the adjustment doesn't give the expected result?
The system automatically reevaluates. It has a contingency protocol that includes applying a second adjustment if the first was ineffective, partially halting implementation if the negative impact increases, recommending a review of the entire plan or a specific block. It never acts blindly and always prioritizes maintaining the positive impact without compromising operational stability.
So this subagent is like the co-pilot. The one who corrects the steering wheel if you go off course, without you having to take your hands off the wheel. Is that correct?
It's the system's resilience layer, because no matter how well you plan, deviations can always occur. External factors, market changes, human error. This subagent ensures that the system is detected, reacted to, and restabilized without slowing down operations or overwhelming those responsible. It's a kind of digital immune system for your company.
Perfect. So now I truly feel supported. I have someone who designs, someone who executes, and someone who corrects. That makes a huge difference compared to any traditional structure in the company.
Exactly. You have the intelligence that observes, acts, and learns. And speaking of support, in the next video, I'll show you how the system also takes care of training, informing, and communicating each improvement to your team. I'll introduce you to the training and communications agent who ensures that knowledge is transferred and applied correctly.
Because all of this is useless if people don't understand it or don't apply it well. If we want everything to work, we have to make sure everyone is on board and well prepared. I'd like to speak with someone first to clarify a few questions I have about specific processes for my company. Can you put me in touch with someone?
If you have any questions or suggestions, just contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacharada on LinkedIn. He'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve the lives of people and companies.